Cupra came to us a few months ago. They were building a new racing car, so they were facing some challenges with some of the components.
The main objective is flexibility and speed. So we are able to produce a huge amount of variants of the parts to be tested.
Cupra had super tight deadlines. Thanks to HP's multi-jet fusion technology, we were able to deliver them functional parts in few days.
The speed that we get with additive manufacturing is helping a lot for the final efficiency of the project.
They were able to get functional parts that worked for the testing phase, and they were able also to speed up the process on the design phase. Working together with Cupra has been very successful.
We are able to produce several variants of the same part so that we get the real results in very short time frame. They were very good results. All the parts withstand all the loads and the environmental conditions around.
They were really satisfied about the job we did together.